Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of this OralB Vitality. This is an electronic toothbrush with floss action. We are going to be having a giveaway on our blog with this, and so you see this video, the extra entries for you in the giveaway. If you like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and let's get to it and take a look at this toothbrush. Just realized I wasn't on when I just opened the box, but I just opened the box and took it out. So this has a 2-minute timer, and inside this box we have a handle, charger, and a brush head. So there's our handle, and this is a nice non skid grip with the power button, and this is also easy to grip. It's kind of like a silicone or something, rubbery, but it'll, it doesn't slip out of your hand. Okay, here's the base. It's weighted, and you can sit it on your counter. The handle fits on top like that, and then you have your OralB. Then you have the OralB brush head. It also has a ring, so you can get extra brush heads and designate them with the ring for different members of the family. We were also sent along some OralB Glide dental floss, some mouthwash by Crest, and some ProHealth toothpaste. Inside the package, we also have a save $3 instantly on any 1-2 count or greater replacement brush head pack, and receive an additional $7 off coupon when you register your new brush at oralb.com/register. Immediate $3 coupon there, so you can go out and get some new brush heads. You have the use and care manual here to tell you all about using your new toothbrush. The toothbrush can be fitted with any of the following brush heads: the OralB Cross Action brush head, which is OralB's most advanced brush head; the OralB Floss Action brush head; the OralB Precision Clean brush head; the OralB Sensitive brush head; and the OralB 3D White brush head, as well as the OralB Dual Clean brush head and the OralB Deep Sweep brush head. So like I said, we will be having a giveaway on our blog for this, and so just please check it out and enter for your chance to win. This again is the OralB Vitality by Braun. Makes a great Father's Day gift or birthday gift or any kind of gift for someone that you care about, because oral health is so important to our general health. So thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.